give Alf some sugar. You mean you give that old Mel Mackey and sugar and you won't give me sugar? Give me some sugar. He wants to hug Alf. Will you let him hug your Alf? I guess he's ever even seen him, has he? Be there or be square. Hey, just kidding.
Just kidding. No problem.
How about a hug for the old elfer? Be there or be square.
He wants to hug you.
Okay.
How about a hug for the old elfer? Let's see. Let's put him out here so I can see.
Push.
I'm a people alien.
I'm a people alien.
A whisker for your thoughts.
Whisker for your thoughts.
Hey, just kidding.
Just kidding.
A whisker for your thoughts.
Whisker for your thoughts.
A whisker for your thoughts.
That's his whiskers right there.
Oh, John just wants to get a hold of him.
No.
Love him. He loves Al.
Where's she going with it?
Alright, we got him now. We got him now! Oh, you brought him to us.
We're going to tear him
We're
up.
going to tear him up.
Let's go check out the fridge.
He says,
you go check out
why don't you go check out the fridge?
What's in the fridge?
My hair looks even 10 times
I'm dragging that pizza back. Look, Mama's hair and Al's hair look alike.
Well, this morning we did. So we put our comb through it, but that was about it. It's been a wild morning. Because we wild and crazy guys.
Chicken!
Chicken!
Here! How chicken?
Is this original recipe or
Extra.
extra crispy?
The extra crispy.
Oh,
Oh. Needs to be heated
good for
up.
breakfast.
Mm.
This is
Frucky
fried chicken. Have you ever had frucky fried chicken? You hadn't. Is that what you call it? Frucky fried chicken. Only the Colonel can make it that way. Pretty frucky too. Especially cold and greasy. I don't play this at church, I guess. Let me have the lid. Why don't you go put it back?
No.
Go put it back in the
This is what we're going to
refrigerator.
have for dinner. We have some French fries too. No, he don't like chicken. Hey, give me 4.
Boing, 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 boing.
You know, could you crawl to Al? See if you could crawl to Al.
Don't leave him alone now. He's going to go try to crawl to him. Grace, put him down.
Yeah.
Come here, let me tell you something. You come over to me.
No.
Come here.
She got him.
Yeah, you moved him closer to him. No, I was trying to get him to crawl. So Uncle Daddy and Aunt Liz can see him crawl. Come here and sit in my lap. Let's watch. Watch on TV. Going the wrong way. We're going the wrong way.
Yay!
You make him talk.
Reese is acting like a little baby. How ugly. I thought she was a big girl. Ow, ow. There he goes, rolling and rolling and rolling along. Johnson?
No.
Great.
Come here, bud. Come here, bud. You got it. You got it.
Did you get it?
Yep. Falling out of the picture. Rolling back into the picture.
Come on. Grab my hand. Reach. Reach. I'm not going to beg you. We're fixing to put this off and go fix something.
Sounds like his battery got charged with use, doesn't it?
Hey, Mama.
He threw his bat down, Mama. See if he can get over to you and pull up. Get out. I locked you in, didn't I?
My mom turned it so I let me out.
I was just pretending.
You gotta do most of the work. Sit on your knees. Now. You have to get on your knees first, bud. Give me a hand. You gotta do it. Mama can't do it for you.
Just give up, Mama.
He wants it so bad, though. Come on. No, now I'm not gonna let him. Now, see
Give me that little remote control there, Carice.
There you go. It's hard work. There you go.
Just that one. Good. It's a gloomy Monday. Didn't do that.
And we've had some snow early this morning, but it didn't stick. Bunch of snow flurries.
It's like it's snowing out there now.
Might be.
It is.
It's snowing on one low, but it is snowing out there now.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. The kids are out of school, so it don't matter. Ha ha ha. It's A-E-A. Can you pronounce A-E-A? A-E-A. A-E-A.
Now, you know what my starts with? The Z.
Yours starts with a Z?
C.
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 What is your name?
R-E-E.
Grace, R-E-E. That's right. What's your whole name, though?
Triple is fine.
What grade are you in?
First grade.
What's your teacher's name?
Grade.
Hmm?
It's two grades.
That's your teacher's name? Hmm. What's your granny's name? Do you know what her name is? It's Liz.
Elizabeth.
What's your papa's name?
X-Y-N-Z.
X, Y, and Z.
Bob.
Bob.
And Nana's name is
T-S-Y-N-Z.
Beth.
And what's Mama's name?
What's Mama's name?
X-1-2-X-1-2.
What's my real name?
Mommy!
That's my real name. Terry.
What do I call her?
Mom.
Nope. What do I call her, Mom?
Mama!
That's right. What's his name?
Jonathan!
What's his other name?
Evan!
What's his last name? What do we call him, though? What do we call him?
Bud!
Bud?
Yeah.
What's his other name that sounds like Bud? What do me and Papa call him?
Budrow.
Budrow. Budrow. You know what that is?
What?
That's Cajun for brother. Boudreaux.
You will say what's my name?
What's your name? Scooter
Betty.
Bay?
No.
Scooter Bitty?
Duty. Papa says Duty too, don't
Dookie head.
Ah.
Your name's not Dookie head?
No, I'm a turquoise gun.
Then why do you smell so bad?
Cause I did take a bath.
You didn't take a bath.
No.
No, we didn't take a bath this morning, did we?
Now, do you need your diaper changed?
No!
You wear a diaper, don't you?
No! I'm not a baby. I can walk, see?
Oh.
And Tony too.
And Tondu? Well, let me get you Tondu in here. Is that Tondu? Back up a little bit.
Tansy, Tansy, this how we tansy. Tansy, Tansy, this how we tansy.
PK?
What's PA? What's the one where you go? Yeah. Okay. Get back over this. Pretty walking, pretty hands. Pick up eggs. Very pretty. Oh, beautiful. Alright, there we go. Do you twirl? Woo. Do it so. Go real fast. Okay, good. Pretty. Pretty fingers. Pretty hands. Pick up eggs.
I did.
What are you going to do with all them eggs you've been picking up?
Drop them.
So now that's how we get our fingers to stay pretty, is we think we're picking up eggs. So we've got our recitals planned for in May. I think it's the first weekend of May.
Would you show Uncle Danny and Aunt Liz your book satchel and everything that Granny brought you?
Okay.
Show them over at the couch. The closer you get, the less I get of you. There you go. What are they?
Clown with balloons.
Is it your birthday? Is that why Granny brought that to you?
No.
Oh, it's a bear with balloons. I'm sorry. I didn't know. I've not looked at them real good. Let's fix it. Let's fix them where they close up. And you can, we'll need to put you some books in. I want you to carry it like this. So that's why kids carry stuff to school like this. My mama used to have one. This was wheels. It's got wheels out there. I think.
You lost yours in school?
Oh, well, baby, ain't no telling where Mama's is. That was a long, long time ago. That's not yours. Care Bear. Huh?
Patty cake, a baker's man. Roll 'em up, throw 'em in the pan.
That's nothing.
He didn't go there. That would do it.
Yeah. Boo! Where's old Bud at? Where's old Bud at? Where's Jonathan?
Jonathan's gone.
There he is! Where's Jonathan? Where's Jonathan? Where's Jonathan? There he is! Where's Jonathan? Where's Jonathan? Where's Jonathan? There he is!
Right back with me.
Fine, won't you get your, like Mickey Mouse books and stuff and put in this one?
Pepe Pie?
Where's this one?
Pepe Pie. Where's Jonathan?
Jonathan's gone.
Where's Jonathan? You're gonna put him out.
Jonathan's gone.
There he is.
Where's Jonathan? Up!
Where's Jonathan?
Where's Jonathan?
There he is.
I'm gonna get you. Oh! Oh!
Excuse me.
Shirley. You don't have to call you Shirley, do you?
Yep. Ow, my hand's coming here.
Hurt you?
Let me hold it, okay? Let me come up to eat.
Uh-oh. Jay's gonna get Cece. They picked you up. Oh, wow. Wait.
Slingshot.
Oh, you better be careful. She did. Grace loves it.
Ooh. Ooh, your nose fell off. It's a beauty. Hey, let me tell you something about Mom.
What? He said that.
Ah! Oh!
You was picking me up. You get that side. Yeah, that's boy. No, it's mine.
No, it's mine.
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 I got it.
Hey, let's see if you talk and talk.
No.
Let's go sit. Get forward. Oh, for the old caresser.
No problem.
No problem.
No problem. No problem.
Here, kitty, kitty,
Is
kitty.
that all you can say? Go check out the fridge.
Before you talk.
I think her batteries are down.
Leaks out.
You will pick me up.
Nope. Have some bottle there, boy.
Daddy, you push me.
What would you say?
No, no problem.
No problem. Put your books in your satchel.
No. Oh, what?
Alright, you going to school? You study hard and find the teacher. You study hard and find the teacher.
Oh, I'm a big one.
I know. You did scratch her on the face.
Where?
Scratch it there.
Let me see. Uh-uh.
Uh-huh. I can see it from here. You and your daddy are too rough to each other.
She's too rough to me.
And you're too rough to her.
That's not a clown, Mom.
I see that now.
That's a bear,
All I
you
saw was
dummy.
balloons, and I figured the clown was holding balloons, but it's a bear in a sailor suit. Which I don't get that.
He's a sailor bear.
And I think you're going to have to turn the other way. Because it won't close sitting up like that. Turn this way. Now, you lock. Lock them. Now. And go to school.
Thank you.
Give me a kiss. You be good. Mwah.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye, Dookie.
You be good at school.
I will.
And do all your homework, your schoolwork.
And my agent probably there too.
Kevin and Ethan are probably there at your school. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Let's go up there.
Okay. Yo, that bloody. Oh.
March the 10th was our 3rd anniversary at Willie Springs Baptist Church. And yesterday we presented our gift to the church. A sign announcing when Sunday school starts and church training and so forth. Son's beginning beginning to shine a little bit outside. You need a nap?
Yes.
You need a nap? You need a nap? Good night. Good night.